Watch this. I got my flashlight right here. I'm going to go up looking for a red photo sensor. Hey, there it is! You hear the wolf sound? So watch this. There's the photo sensor, and now here comes a flashlight. Every time it gets near the red photo sensor, it goes. So one more time, test. Here we come. Yeah. There is the beagle bone, and there is the USB card. There's Ethernet. There's the speaker that it's going to right there, and there's the Vex photo sensor one last time. There it is. It's working reliable. Now I got to figure out how to make it run every time I start it up, all the time without fail.
No vision.